Good afternoon, you lovely people. I've decided to treat myself to some Danish oil, the original by Rustins. And what I'm doing, look at this. I'm about to start my tops. So what you do, get a soft cloth, and this gives it a lovely barrier. Look at that beautiful wood. Gives it a lovely barrier. Let's put quite a bit on, tip it on there. That's it. Don't matter if you get it on your hands, it's good stuff. Look at that, the difference in that wood. Isn't that beautiful? Absolutely beautiful. Look at that. Oh. Have you ever been in love with a piece of wood? Look at that, beautiful. Oh yeah, look at that. Wowee, wow. Oh, isn't it gorgeous, eh? It's £11 a tin, but it's well worth it. Well worth the money, isn't it? That's a bit of glue there. I've got to rub that down. I'll just apply it on with a cloth. Nice. I'm using a tea towel here. Rub it in well, and this protects and nourishes the wood, which, you know, it's a living thing. Wood, so you've got to look after it. You look after the wood, it will look after you. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Absolutely gorgeous. Wow. I'm so impressed.